Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In today's video, we will see how to use the auto scaling group with application load balancer. Instead, the user is requesting accessing the application from outside. The request reaches the application load balancer through internet gateway, and this request is passed on to the target group. And inside the target group, and then it reaches the auto scaling group. Based on the load on the instances, the auto scaling group we split the request types in two of the instances which is available in each of the availability zones. Okay. Now the architecture diagram shows the outer region is AWS cloud, and inside that we have one region like North Virginia region, and inside that we are having a DPC, and inside the DPC we are having two availability zones. One is US East 1A and the second one is US East 1B, and inside that we are having two subnets, public subnets. Both of the instances are attached to the same security group, EC2 security group, and everything covered by the auto scaling group. Okay, based on the health check of the instances, auto scaling group will increase or decrease the number of instances. Okay, we'll see in the end-to-end demo now. Okay, the first step is creating an EC2 instances and web server using Bootstrap scripts. We already written the blog on this, how to create a Linux EC2 instances and web server using Bootstrap scripts. Once you have created the instances, we open that instances creator. You see here I have created two instances. The first instance, let me copy the public IPv4 to open a new tab. This is the first EC2 instances I created, and let me open the instances. I'll copy the public IPv4 of the second IP address. Go back here. Enter. This is a second instance in US1B region. In a similar manner, we need to create two instances using the web server Bootstrap script in the user data. Okay, once you have created the two EC2 instances, we need to create an application load balancer. Okay, you need to go to the load balancer and you need to choose application load balancer. And these are the configuration details. The application load balancer should be an internet facing instead of internal scheme. Okay, then only you can be able to access through internet. And go to the network mapping configuration. You need to select both the availability zone US1A and US1B. And similarly, security group, you need to select the same security group which we done for EC2 instance creation, and you need to have the listener port as port 80, so that you can be able to access the load balancer through DNS from outside. Okay, and you need to create a target group. You go to the load balancer and show the configuration just done. This I created application load balancer, which is an internet facing schema, and this is a posted zone. And there are two availability zones. In two availability zones, I have two instances. One is on the US1A and the another one is on the US1B. And the address is IP84. Okay. The load balancer, and I'll copy the DNS way. I'm just refreshing this load balancer. Okay, this is the first IP, and this one is the second IP. For each time, we will get different IPs because the load balancer will route to different EC2 instance created. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is the target group we have created. In target group can be instances or IP addresses or lambda function or application load balancer. In our use case, we have created target group using these instances, and this is a health check of the target group, and we have registered the target for the two instances we have created. Okay, And once you have created the target group, this is a summary of the target group. And if you see here, it is an internet facing application load balancer, and this is a security group, and we have two availability zones and two uh, and listener is support 80. Okay, once you have done, I'll show you the target which we have created. It is the target group I created. If you go inside the target group, we will have a, two registered targets, and both of them are healthy in status. Okay, and we will go. And this is how we need to create an auto scaling group. The auto scaling group, before we create, we need to create the launch template. Okay, I create auto scaling group name as Vijay auto scaling group, and we need to create a launch template. Once we have created the launch template, we need to configure using that EC2 template which we have created, the auto scaling group. The first page, we have given the template name, and second page, we have selected the availability zone. And in third page, we are attaching the existing load balancer to the auto scaling group, and we are adding the existing target group as well. And it's the important one. We are giving the desired capacity. The minimum capacity we are having it as 1, and desired capacity is 2. So there should be two instances should be always running. If one is down, the auto scaling group will automatically create one instances based on the template launch template. Okay, that's what we are going to see in the demo. Okay, now moving on to launch template. Okay, this is how we have created the launch template. Okay, first we need to create a launch template. Based on that only, it will create an EC2 instances. Okay, I will show you the auto scaling group which we have created. Okay, this is the auto scaling group. As per the settings, the desired capacity is 2, minimum capacity is 1, maximum capacity is 4. Okay, and if you see here, the activity, everything will be tracked on the activity here. Um, First it scaled from 0 to 2, and then it's started from 0 to, first it started creating the first instances, and then it's started the second instances as well. Okay, automatic scaling happening here. Okay, what I will do, I'll go to the instances. Okay, and I'll stop one of the instances. Okay, and then we'll see the auto scaling group will automatically create another instance. Okay, we'll see in the demo. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm stopping the first instance. Okay, I'm going to the auto scaling group now. I'm going to the activity. Okay, this is stopped now. Okay, now we'll go to the auto scaling group. We'll see whether the auto scaling group is increasing the number of instances or not. Okay. and start all the instances. I'm going on to the auto scaling group. See, there is one auto scaling group is ALB. So it automatically creating another instances. You see here, I stopped determining the instances. This has been stopped. Okay, the auto scaling group, what is doing? The instance was launched in response to an unhealthy instance need to be replaced. Okay, this is automatically creating the another instances instead of what we have stopped the manually stop instances, right? So it automatically creates. Okay, can you track the history here? See, it's been successful. Now new instance being created. Go to instance management. You will see here it has been created, it has been replaced with another instance. If you go to EC2 instances, right, there will be two instances running. See, it has been already replaced by auto scaling group with another instance. Hope you got the information. This is how auto scaling groups works. If any questions, please write down in the comments. We will see in the next video uh, with another interesting AWS use case. Yeah, I will share everything in the blog here. Okay, thanks everyone.